In today's video, I'm going to teach you about automatic saving to Google Drive and how you can also save your Google Docs to your device. When you're working with Google Docs, one of its many convenient features is its automatic saving functionality. By default, all of your documents are automatically saved to Google Drive, eliminating the need for any extra steps just to preserve your work. It's great because you don't have to worry about losing your work if something unexpected happens. Google Docs has got you covered. As you type and make edits, you might notice some text at the top of your document that says Saving or Save to Drive. This is your cue that Google Docs is hard at work, ensuring that all of your changes are securely updated in real time. It's like having a seamless backup system operating in the background, giving you peace of mind and letting you focus on your actual work, rather than worrying about manually saving every change. This real-time saving feature makes Google Docs a truly user-friendly option for both everyday and professional use. Now, let's talk about something different: saving your document directly to your device, whether it's a desktop or a mobile device. Although Google Docs is primarily cloud-based, there are situations where you might want to have a local copy of your document, perhaps for sharing, offline editing, or simply as a personal backup. To do this, you need to access the File menu in your Google Docs interface. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Download option. Clicking on Download opens up several choices for you. You can choose to download your document as a Microsoft Word document or as a PDF. Each format has its efficient uses, so select the one that best suits your needs. A Word document might be ideal if you need to collaborate with others who use Microsoft Word, while a PDF is perfect for sharing a document in a universally accessible format that maintains its layout. After selecting the desired format, simply click on it and the download will begin. Once the download is complete, your file will be stored in your device's download section, ready for you to access at any time. This ability to choose your file format and easily store it locally gives you the flexibility to work both on and offline, expanding how you can manage and use your documents. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to handling document saving in Google Docs. Whether you're trusting the automatic saving to Google Drive or downloading a file directly to your device, this system ensures that all your text and data are secure and easily accessible whenever you need it. Thank you for joining me today to explore these essential saving features, pertinent for efficient work management in our digital age.